Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Round number 2. Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is check on the link. Click on the link down below. And you can get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime shipping. All the way from China. Let's see what we have here. Decorate your item. Tape. What is this? Decorative tape. Whoa. Hey, maybe I could use this for TTM. I can make some bling out of it. Whoa. Got the bling bling. So check them out. This is coming from Love? Love. Interesting. I don't remember. Alright. It is for me. Swing. I think it's called Love. And I got this kind of tape. I am definitely going to use it. Oh, peels off easy. There's the back. Pretty cool. Oh geez. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, the link is going to be down below. And you can get one of these and many other different styles. Check them out. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Got one more video coming up for the day. And until then, see you guys in a few. See ya.